Hey people, how's it going? So we have another video. So this video I'm actually filming on the device I'm talking about. Please ignore the cat. That's Edwin. So the device I'm talking about is the OnePlus 8T. Edwin, if you could leave the frame, thank you. So yeah, I've been using the phone for a couple of weeks now. It's actually become my daily phone. So it's the OnePlus 8T. I'm enjoying the phone. I'm really pleased with many aspects of it. The battery life. So previously my daily phone was a OnePlus 7T, and I've decided to go for the 8T. I did have the 8 for a couple of weeks last year, and also I've looked at the Nord as well, and I decided to settle with the 8T. And so some of the things that I would like to talk about: camera, really good, really impressed with it. Obviously the main sensor has been reused in a few of the devices that OnePlus have launched, I believe about 5. So by now they know what they're doing with that sensor. They've really dialed it in. It's similar to what Google have done. They have used the same camera in the Pixel phone for a long time now. So they have managed to dial up the settings and the software that they're using to make the phone deal with the camera that they're using particularly well. So I will post up the pictures and a short video now, so enjoy. Hopefully you can see what I'm talking about with regards to the camera. There's some photos of a ghetto golf visit that I had last week, and you can see the luminous colours in the dark almost, how well they pop, and the quick video I took there too. The battery life, I mean, unplugging at 7 o'clock in the morning, by sort of 10 o'clock at night we're down no more than to about 30%, so that's pretty good for me. I'm happy with that, and that's, you know, listening to music mostly throughout the day while I'm in my day job, and you know, the odd video, that kind of thing, bit of YouTube before bed. 30% happy days, not have to worry about not being near a charger. Some days it can be 50%, you know, it depends on obviously what you're doing with the phone and how often you're using it throughout the day. And yeah, so I've been very pleased with that. The size of the phone I'm chuffed with. The under fingerprint screen sensor is something that I do prefer as opposed to on device fingerprint sensor. I quite like them on the side, on the rear. I think I've decided they're not for me, so that's something that, you know, is something that I'm not into. Fingerprint sensors, I think when they're a physical fingerprint sensor rather than a under the screen one, they are supposed to be a better fingerprint sensor, for want of a better word. However, you know, I can't see a problem with it being under the screen unless you break the glass, which is not something that I'd want to be experiencing. And yeah, so if you like the phone, check out the link below. Please do subscribe to the channel, and hopefully you can keep your eyes out, and we'll get another phone review to you in the next couple of weeks or so. And obviously this video here is another testament to the quality of the 8T. This is being filmed in 4K, so hopefully you can tell that it's pretty decent. And yeah, thank you for watching. Check it out in the link below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.